Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Auterion demonstrates live-fire drone swarm in US test. One operator strikes 3 targets simultaneously. Auterion announced it executed a live-fire combat drone swarm strike at a US military range in Florida on January 13, 2026. Conducted by airmen, soldiers, sailors, and Marines at Camp Landing, the test showed a single operator commanding 3 autonomous strike drones to destroy 3 separate targets using explosively formed penetrator warheads. The company said the event marked the first true one-to-many lethal strike by small attritable systems in a live-fire environment. It demonstrated that a single warfighter can deliver combat power previously requiring entire formations. The demonstration served as an early preview of the Department of War Swarm Forge program, which aims to test and scale AI-enabled ways of fighting. It combined US military units with technology providers, including Auterion and Kraken Kinetics, under operational conditions. The one pilot, one drone model is obsolete, said Lorenz Meyer. What we showed in Florida is that software now decides who brings mass to the fight. 1 soldier. 3 targets. 1 coordinated strike. Auterion said its software allowed the operator to assign objectives and authorize lethal effects while autonomous systems handled navigation, formation control, and guidance. The use of EFP warheads designed to defeat heavy armor highlighted what the company described as a shift in infantry lethality. Autonomous mass isn't about flying more drones, Meyer said. It's about collapsing the kill chain until decision to impact happens faster than the enemy can react. We have demonstrated that we can give American warfighters the edge. The Florida test followed Auterion's earlier multi-manufacturer swarm demonstration and completed what the company described as the lethal end of the kill chain in a realistic environment. Auterion also said it has shipped more than 30,000 Skynode strike kits to Ukraine in support of Ukraine's defense capabilities. Every modern military is chasing force multipliers, Meyer said. Today, we proved that autonomous swarms put that multiplier directly in the hands of the individual warfighter. This is how smaller forces defeat larger ones. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.